Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. At the moment, we can still assume that we go higher from here. We have come yesterday into the target area, basically, which is a reversal area. It's a possible area where the price will find a reversal with a high likelihood. Yeah. We talked about it when should we break out of this channel, which we were ready for. Anybody who watched the last videos, then that we would get into this area, most likely find support here around 1280, 1290, which we did, and then move up from here. But I also outlined the other possibility, and it's still not entirely clear, that this particular wave 2, maybe was never finished. And what I showed you here yesterday, that we had from the low when CPI was released here, that we had setting 1 second. Yeah, that we had an impulse up, okay, a correction down in an ABC, and that we're now up in a C, no, in a 3. You know, that scenario is valid as long as we're holding the 1280 level. So as long as this is the case, we should be fine. But I'm even thinking that now that we've made this significant swing low here yesterday at 1290, we shouldn't drop below that anymore. If we do that, if we lose that, then I think we will also lose the 1280 level and will then come down further. We'll be able to retest 1265, but also here's then a high likelihood we're going to break this. And this 1, 2, 3 pattern is only going to work out if we hold, well, at least 1280, but better would be the last high, the last low from yesterday. It's definitely a situation now where Ethereum and Bitcoin now have a chance to reverse to the upside. But even if they don't reverse to the upside from here, it wouldn't be a disaster. It would just move or just delay the breakout a little bit, in my opinion. And it would mean that this wave 2, which I had already here as an ABC, is only sitting here. That means we come down a bit deeper. The reason for that is, first of all, that we really only touched my initial reversal area here for this wave 2, so we didn't get very far into it. That is often a sign that we will go down a bit lower. I did explain that in a previous video. And also that we have not yet, with this high, we have not broken this high yet at 1342. So it's very much possible that this here was just a wave A, which is also a 3-wave move. A, B, C, like the wave 2. The wave A, very similar. Then that this was a wave B to the upside. And basically as a flat pattern, we're now coming down in a wave C. And if this is the case, then I think we have really only seen the wave 1 down yesterday. And that we're now retracing to the upside in a wave 2. And important, I think, is now to understand which levels are relevant. So if we are in this particular pattern here, the larger ABC, in which wave 2 in circle hasn't finished yet, then we're obviously on the lookout for lower lows. When would that be confirmed? Well, there's 2 things to look out for. There is, first of all, in my opinion, this, if we draw the Fib retracement, it is certainly, let me think. So we've got a few levels here that are of high relevance. We've got, first of all, so if we say this was a wave 1 down, we could say that this was a wave A up, this here a wave B down, and the wave C up is still to follow. A key target for that would be the 61.8% Fib level, 1321, and the 78.6, 1330, which means in an ABC, I would say if we get above 1330, then the scenario where we'll come down once more will get very unlikely. So that means if we break above 1330, it would already massively increase the chances that we are breaking out directly. If we get rejected from either 1321 or 1330, so the 61.8 Fib level and the 78.6 Fib level, one of them, or of course lower, if we don't even get there, that increases the likelihood we will come down lower. And a breakout confirmation to the downside would be if we break below the 1288 level, yesterday's low. And then I think we come down in a wave C here further, which would be a 5-wave move, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, in which we will ideally hold 1225. So these are the levels to watch out for. At the moment, my view is, and I have to do it because we haven't broken the 1288 level yet. I will say that the wave 2 here in circle was already in, and that we are now in this possible breakout pattern, another 1-2 setup, where we next have a chance to break out in wave 3 to the upside. And if we do that, I can give you a target for that third wave to the upside. That's again based on Fibonacci extension levels and yesterday's low. And the target would be around 1413 US dollars. Good, that's my update about Ethereum. So I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.